Hello, our topic is ratio word problems, brought to you by
Isaac Park
and Yoshihiro Takamatsu.
So, we are the Yosaki Corporate teaching children in the need of math problem help. We do not charge any fee for watching our very special educational videos. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe. We hope that by the end of this video, you come to a full understanding of how to solve ratio word problems. Therefore, relax and enjoy.
What is ratio? Ratio is a comparison of two quantities by division. The ratio of A to B is A to B, or A over B, where B does not equal 0. If A and B represent quantities measured in different units, then the ratio of A to B is a rate.
Steps toward the goal. First, before you do anything, you want to read the problem. And then second, you want to take notes and then write the numbers in a ratio form. Third, you want to convert by using appropriate factors, and then finally solve.
Now that you know what a ratio is, we are going to give you a few samples of our problems.
So, what you need for this lesson? So, you need a pencil, several pieces of paper, a ready mind, and a calculator. Problem number 1. So, you are riding a dirt bike to your grandma's house. It takes you 42 minutes to go 20 miles due to the bumpy and muddy track conditions. Continuing at the same rate, how long will it take you to go 164 miles?
First, you want to convert feet to miles. Then simplify. 42 minutes over 20 miles times 1 hour over 60 minutes equal, simplify and cross out the common units, equal 7 hours over 200 miles, equal 0.035 hours per mile.
So, you want to multiply 0.035 by 164 because you want to go 164 miles to reach your grandma's house. So you get an answer of 5.74 hours to go 164 miles.
Problem number 2.
A diving falcon is diving at a prey at 300 feet in 1.46 seconds. What was the falcon's diving speed in miles per hour?
You need to convert feet to miles and seconds to hours. Use appropriate conversion factors. 300 feet over 1.46 seconds times 1 mile over 5,280 feet times 60 seconds over 1 minute times 60 minutes over 1 hour.
So you want to cross out the common units. So for example, you cross out feet and feet, and then you simplify. And then you get an answer of 70 miles per hour. Answer: the falcon's diving speed was 70 miles per hour.
Problem number 3. At the start of the month, a shop had 20 inches and 40 inches TV sets in the ratio 4:5. By the end of the month, 220 inches and 540 inches were sold, and the ratio of 20 inches to 40 inches TV sets became 1:1. How many TV sets of each type were there at the start of the month?
So this is one of our harder problems, and as you can see, we start with 20-inch and 40-inch TVs. So it's at a ratio of 4 to 5. And by the end, the 20-inch and the 40-inch TVs become 1 to 1. So what you want to do is you want to subtract 200 from 4x, and that equals y. The reason you subtract that is because 200 TVs are sold in that period of time. And then, like similarly for the 40-inch screen TVs, you want to subtract 500 from 5x, and 5x represents the ratio, and which equals y. So as you can see, the first thing is A and the second thing is B. So now you do B minus A, which equals 5x minus 500 equals y. And then you subtract 4x minus 200, which equals y. When you add 500 to both sides and you subtract y to you subtract 500 you add 500 on from the left side so that you could get it over to the right side, and then you subtract y from the left side so you could get it back onto the left side. So then, and same for the second one, you want to gather the variables and the numbers. But then at the end you get x equals 300. So now it's easy. You just have to plug the 300 into the x spots. So 4x to 5x, you plug in 300 after the 4 and 300 after the 5.
Answer is 1220 inches TV sets and 140 inches sets.
So key elements. So now you want to analyze and understand the problem before starting to prevent errors. The reason for that is people make careless mistakes when they just skim over the problem and just start right away. So you want to understand the problem fully before starting. And then, second, you want to circle the numbers, and also, that's if you need to focus on those numbers. And also underline important, necessary information during the solving process.
Bonus. You are at Crayon Round and are eating at a 4.75 star restaurant. Out of 5, you have 273 crayons on your plate, and your eating speed is 2.6 crayons per minute. Continuing to devour this amazing delicacy at this rate, in how many minutes will you finish your meal?
So since this is a bonus, we're not going to explain everything, and we're gonna give you a challenge. And when you are done, just look at the right corner to see the answer. Okay.
Good job.
Good job, and you have survived through our video. Now, to get more videos on Algebra 1 and beyond, just contact
911 or Mr. Kraus.
Thank you. Okay, we're done.